Welcome to your weekly market update. I'm Ben.
And I'm Amanda Stevens from Ray White, bringing you a week's worth of insights from the front line. Let's dive in. We thought we'd start off this week with a really interesting observation. One of the areas that the Wellington property market has struggled this year is demand for rental properties. As a result, rents are down around about 15 to 20%, and that's if landlords have been lucky enough to secure a tenant. Many landlords have even opted to sell underperforming rental properties. Very strangely though, investors are back and buying property. Why is that? Mortgage rates are down, tax deductibility is back, and a massive drop in housing value means that property is stacking up as an investment once again. A little bit early to tell, but it may just be that the tide is turning on the Wellington property market.
89 new homes came to the market last week, bringing the total available to 1,042. New listings to the market have started to decline, although the overall stock levels remain pretty consistent. We have noticed that open home attendance has started to drop off. No obvious reasons for this, but it's likely that buyers have secured new homes and less are remaining actively looking.
It was an absolute cracker of a day in the auction room on Friday. 10 properties went under the hammer, 5 of those were our teams. The day kicked off with a beautiful home, 41 Madras Street, Kandala. That was a 4-bedroom property in a lovely condition. It attracted 5 bidders, and after some speedy negotiations, sold under the hammer for $1.1 million, a result which saw our gorgeous vendor skip out of the auction room. But the auction of the day had to go to that for 16 Colway Street in Nio. Now that was a really lovely 3-bedroom character home in a very, very coveted position in Nio. 6 buyers bid for keeps on that one. 2 fought it out right to the end, and the result was an absolute stonker. $1.12 million, ecstatic vendors and very lucky and excited first home buyers taking that one home. Other results for our team were 29 Bold Street in Johnsonville. That was a 3-bedroom modern townhouse that sold under the hammer for $820,000, and a really lovely looking double bay villa in Newtown. It needed significant remediations. That one sold for $705,000, and we will look forward to the transformation in the future.
The company closed 19 tenders last week, with 6 of those selling unconditionally on the day. A noticeable improvement, and long may it continue. After a busy week, the team hosted 15 open homes with an average attendance of 7, which has remained steady for our team. Again, it's the popular stock that's attracting all the eyeballs. And that's a wrap.
Don't forget, for all your property needs, we've got you covered in the capital.